Okay, so I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'm going to split this cable with my fingernail. Start unraveling it. So you split it in the center, and as you can see, when you fold it, that's going to be how big your loop is. So you need to get out enough of this to have a good size loop. And then you crisscross them and tuck them back inside. And that's not the way. So you crisscross them this way, tuck them back inside, and it should fit right back in itself. The bigger the cable, the harder it is. But as you can see, it just goes back into a cable again. Now, if you got them too long, this is what they look like. You can leave them that way if you want to, and just braid those back into each other. Then it looks like this. So then you can just bend that down and put one clamp around it, or you can take the wire like I was telling you and wrap wire around it all the way down and be a nice smooth finish. But anyways, that's how it looks when you're done. And they won't pull it because it has to unravel in order to pull, you know what I mean? So makes it pretty stout.